Okay, first and foremost, I want to thank you for opting in. Run over to your email inbox after watching this video, and there'll be a message from me where you can learn a little bit more about what it is I do and a little bit more about who it is I am. But for right now, guys, what I want to talk about is, I know you guys have seen it all over the internet, or how to start making money online, or make money working from home, or even if you're a person who's interested in starting your own business. The problem is with a lot of people is the actual price point, okay? It's getting started, okay? Sometimes there's an issue with the amount of money that it costs, okay? The startup costs. Many times it's just too expensive. I understand, guys. But what if I told you you could actually start your own business for $54? I'm going to say that again real slow. What if I told you you could start your own business for $54? And don't let the $54, don't underestimate the power of what you're about to be introduced to. This $54 business, well, it's actually a business that's going to enable you to grow and scale it, right, into as much as you want to. But I can show you better than I can tell you. The point is, guys, with this $54 business, you're going to get all the training that you're ever going to need to make this business work. You're going to get all the instruction that you ever need to make this business work. It comes with an automated marketing sales system that you actually plug into to make the system work. And you can actually have it set up within the next 45 minutes. How is that for a breath of fresh air? Anyway, like I said, action speaks louder than words. Right under this video, guys, there's going to be a continue button, okay? I want you guys to click the continue button and sit back and watch the $54 business. It's an automated business in a box, and I think it's going to make you very happy that you found me today. But you can thank me later. Don't forget to check your email inbox, guys, and I'll see you guys on the inside. As always, it's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the other side.